Let's work through the omelet example. So in cell A5, I've got the first prompt, which is the first step to make a cheese omelet is. And for this type of prompt, the prompt is always going to start with the phrase, the first step to. And then in cell B4, we've got the trigger cell, which is the word wait, and I just typed the word wait in that cell. And then cell B5 is going to be the first formula, and that says wait there, but I didn't type wait because wait is the product of the formula I typed in this cell. So I'm going to double click to see the formula, and let's just read through the formula. Equal sign if parentheses B4, which is the trigger cell, less than, greater than, quotation mark, wait, quotation mark, comma, GPT, parentheses, quotation mark, complete the following sentence, colon, quotation mark, comma, cell A5. Cell A5 is the cell that has the prompt in it, comma, 1, parentheses, comma, quotation mark, wait, quotation mark, parentheses. And in English, what this formula says is, if cell B4 contains anything except the word wait, run the formula. If it contains the word wait, don't run the formula. And just as an aside, I guess, one of the things I have a problem with these formulas is right after you type A5 comma, you have to write the numeral 1. And I'm not sure why you have to do that. That doesn't really fit to me, but you have to put the numeral 1 there just before the parentheses after A5. And I'll copy and paste this formula into the description. So now I'll go up to the trigger cell where it says wait and select wait and type go, and we'll run that first formula, and that first formula produces input. The first step to make a cheese omelet is to gather all the necessary ingredients, which typically include eggs, cheese, butter or oil, and any additional seasonings or fillings you prefer. So now I've got the very first step generated, and if I go back to the trigger cell and replace go with wait and press enter, once again the formula in cell B5 will go back to wait, because that's what I've told the formula to do.